You wake up and something is wrong. It's not a loud noise, but a deep, unnerving quiet. Your phone is a black mirror. No signal, no internet. You look outside, and even though it's midday, the sky shimmers with an eerie, global aurora. A sight that should be beautiful, but instead feels deeply menacing. This is the first sign that our world's invisible shield has just vanished. Earth's magnetic field, a force generated by the churning molten iron in our planet's core, is gone. For billions of years, this shield has silently deflected a relentless storm of charged particles from the sun, the solar wind, and high-energy cosmic rays from deep space. Now that storm is hitting us, and everything on our planet full force. The first casualties are in orbit. Thousands of satellites, the backbone of our modern world, are instantly bombarded by radiation. Their sensitive electronics fry in minutes. GPS goes dark. Global communications are severed. Weather forecasting ceases. They become a silent fleet of orbiting junk. On the ground, the invisible assault continues. The solar storm induces massive phantom currents in our long power lines and pipelines. We call them geomagnetically induced currents. They surge through the grid, overwhelming transformers which groan, overheat, and explode. One by one, power stations fail. Within hours, entire continents are plunged into a darkness not seen since before the Industrial Revolution. But the silence of our dead technology is soon overshadowed by a more primal threat. The same radiation that killed our satellites is now streaming down to the surface unimpeded. This ionizing radiation is a microscopic barrage, penetrating our bodies, shredding DNA. For every living thing on the surface, the risk of cancer and acute radiation sickness rises dramatically. The natural world is thrown into chaos. Migratory birds, who rely on the magnetic field for their incredible journeys, now fly in confused circles. Sea turtles and whales, ancient navigators of the ocean, lose their way. Their internal compass is broken. Entire ecosystems, built on the predictable rhythm of migration, begin to unravel. And then, the long-term attack begins. The solar wind, no longer deflected, starts to physically strip away our atmosphere. Particle by particle, it sandblasts our air into space. The process is slow but relentless. The ozone layer, which protects us from UV radiation, thins drastically. Over generations, our planet would begin to lose its very breath, its pressure dropping, its composition changing. Now, a catastrophic collapse like this, overnight, isn't what science predicts. Our magnetic field does weaken, and it even flips its poles, but these reversals happen over thousands of years, not in a single moment. The current weakening we observe is part of this natural, slow-moving cycle. So, the point of this thought experiment isn't to stoke fear of an impossible event. It's to grasp the profound reality of our existence. We live and build our entire noisy, complicated civilization within the quiet protection of a planetary force field, a silent guardian we can't see or touch, but without which there would be nothing but cosmic radiation and a deep, unnerving quiet.